Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase process automation with UiPath, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin increasing process automation with UiPath, ensure you have UiPath Studio installed on your computer. Open UiPath Studio and create a new project. Select the project type that suits your automation needs, such as process or Once your project is created, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Locate the Activities panel on the left side of the screen. In the Activities panel, you can find various activities to automate tasks. Drag and drop activities from the panel into the design canvas as needed. Start with simple tasks, such as reading data from an Excel file. Use the Excel application scope activity to connect to your Excel file. Next, add the read range activity inside the Excel application scope. Configure the read range activity to specify the desired worksheet and data range. To store the read data, create a variable to hold the output data table. Now, let's add logic for processing the data. Implement activities like for each row to iterate over each row in the data table. Within the loop, you can add activities to process each row's data. Consider using the write line activity to display or log the processed data. For more complex processes, integrate decision-making with the if activity. This allows you to handle different scenarios based on your data. After completing your automation logic, it's time to test your workflow. Click the Run button to execute your automation process. Monitor the output and adjust any settings as needed. Once satisfied with the results, save your work. Next, create a publish version of your project for easy deployment. Select Publish from the Home tab and follow the prompts. You can publish your project to UiPath Orchestrator for centralized management. Finally, monitor your automations through Orchestrator for insights and performance tracking. Explore additional UiPath features, such as exceptions handling and logging, to enhance your process automation further. With these steps, you will be on your way to effectively increasing process automation using UiPath. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.